Welcome back to AI Ed, from bits to breakthroughs. I'm your host, Kelly 1.0, an AI-generated avatar here at newbits.ai. Built from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm here to guide you through today's deep dive into cutting-edge AI developments in gaming. In our last episode, we explored robotics AI and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing automation, mobility, and real-world interactions. Today, we shift to the world of interactive entertainment, gaming AI innovations. From intelligent non-playable characters, NPCs, and procedural worlds to adaptive difficulty and AI-driven storytelling, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we play, compete, and experience digital worlds. Let's dive in. The evolution of gaming AI represents one of the most dramatic transformations in interactive entertainment. We've moved far beyond the simple scripted behaviors of the past into an era where AI creates truly dynamic, responsive experiences. Today's AI-powered game engines are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in virtual worlds, creating experiences that adapt and evolve based on player interactions. Let's explore these groundbreaking developments. Unity's ML Agents Toolkit, open-source framework enabling games to train intelligent agents using deep reinforcement learning. Advanced NPC behaviors, AI systems that learn and adapt to player strategies in real time. Environmental response systems, complex simulations where game worlds react dynamically to player choices. Intelligent companion systems, AI-driven allies that learn from and complement player gameplay styles. What makes these advances particularly remarkable is how they are fundamentally changing the player experience. When a game can learn from and adapt to player behavior, we're no longer just playing a game, we're participating in an evolving, intelligent system that grows and changes with us. The way virtual characters behave and interact has undergone a fundamental transformation. Modern games are moving beyond pre-scripted dialogue and fixed behavior patterns to create characters that feel more alive and responsive than ever before. This evolution in character AI is reshaping how players connect with virtual worlds and their inhabitants. Let's examine these breakthrough developments. Cyberpunk 2077's enhanced NPCs advance through the Convai mod for dynamic, AI-driven conversations and reactions. The Sims 4's social AI, sophisticated modeling processing thousands of possible interactions for emergent storytelling. Epic Games MetaHuman Creator, revolutionary system for generating photorealistic characters with potential for AI behavior integration. Dynamic personality systems, NPCs that develop distinct traits and reactions based on accumulated player interactions. The significance of these advances lies in how they are breaking down the barriers between scripted characters and truly interactive personalities. When NPCs can remember past interactions, form opinions, and react naturally to player choices, it creates a level of immersion that was impossible just a few years ago. The scope and scale of modern game worlds have expanded dramatically thanks to AI-driven procedural generation. Rather than manually crafting every detail, developers can now create vast, dynamic universes that generate themselves according to sophisticated rules and patterns. This breakthrough has revolutionized how games create and maintain their virtual environments, enabling unprecedented scale while maintaining rich detail and consistency. Let's explore these transformative developments. No Man's Sky, groundbreaking procedural generation, creating 18 quintillion unique planets, each with its own ecosystem, weather patterns, and wildlife. Minecraft's world generation, dynamic creation of complex, interactive landscapes that extend virtually infinitely. Red Dead Redemption 2's ecosystem, sophisticated AI-driven wildlife behavior including natural hunting patterns, migration, and environmental adaptation. Environmental response systems, dynamic weather patterns, day and night cycles, and physics-based interactions that create living, breathing worlds. What makes these advances particularly impressive is how they're creating truly living worlds. When a game's environment can evolve organically, respond to player actions, and maintain internal consistency across vast spaces, it creates a level of immersion that static, pre-designed worlds simply cannot match. One of the most exciting developments in gaming AI is its ability to create personalized experiences that adapt to each player's unique style and skill level. Modern games are moving beyond fixed difficulty settings to implement sophisticated systems that learn from and respond to player behavior in real time, creating more engaging and balanced experiences for everyone. Let's examine these innovative systems. From software's combat AI, sophisticated reactive enemy behaviors in Elden Ring that analyze and respond to player combat patterns. Electronic Arts Sports AI, advanced tactical systems in FIFA and NBA 2K that learn from real-world matches to create authentic challenges. Dynamic difficulty adjustment, intelligent systems in games like Resident Evil 4 and Left 4 Dead that tune challenge levels in real time. Player behavior analysis, AI systems that learn individual play styles and adjust game elements accordingly. The power of these adaptive systems lies in their ability to create perfectly tuned experiences for each player. When a game can understand and respond to your personal playing style, it creates a more engaging and satisfying experience that keeps you in that optimal zone between too easy and too challenging. The intersection of AI and narrative design is opening up entirely new possibilities for interactive storytelling. Instead of following fixed plot lines, games can now generate unique stories and quests dynamically, creating experiences that adapt to player choices and world events in meaningful ways. Let's explore these narrative innovations. Bethesda's Radiant Story System, dynamic quest generation that considers world state, player history, and available resources. Ubisoft's Watch Dogs, Legion, sophisticated character generation, creating thousands of unique NPCs with distinct backgrounds and stories. Disco Elysium's dialogue system, complex conversation trees that adapt to player choices and character development. Emergent narrative systems, AI-driven story elements that develop organically based on player actions and world events. The significance of these advances extends beyond just creating more content. They are fundamentally changing how stories can be told in games. When every player's journey can be truly unique, shaped by their choices and actions, it creates a more personal and meaningful narrative experience. The role of AI in multiplayer gaming has evolved far beyond simple matchmaking. Today's multiplayer systems use sophisticated AI to create balanced matches, manage massive online worlds, and facilitate meaningful player interactions across global networks. Let's examine these multiplayer breakthroughs. Riot Games' League of Legends, advanced matchmaking systems that consider multiple factors to create balanced, competitive matches. Bungie's Destiny 2, sophisticated combat rating system that learns from player performance to enable fair skill-based matchmaking. Microsoft's Azure PlayFab, cloud-based AI processing that enables complex behaviors and interactions in massive online worlds. Real-time optimization, AI systems that dynamically manage server loads and player connections for smoother online experiences. What makes these advances particularly important is how they are making online gaming more accessible and enjoyable for players of all skill levels. When AI can create balanced matches and manage complex online interactions seamlessly, it creates a better experience for everyone involved. The impact of AI on game development extends far beyond the games themselves. Modern AI tools are transforming how games are created, enabling developers to build more sophisticated experiences more efficiently while pushing the boundaries of what's technically possible. Let's explore these revolutionary development tools. Epic Games Unreal Engine, nanite virtualized geometry system enabling unprecedented detail with optimal performance. Unity's DOTS, Advanced Performance Optimization Framework for Complex NPC Simulations and World Interactions. NVIDIA's DLSS, AI-powered rendering that enhances performance while maintaining visual quality. Development automation, AI tools that streamline asset creation, testing, and optimization processes. The significance of these advances lies in how they are democratizing game development. When AI can handle complex technical challenges automatically, developers can focus more on creativity and innovation, leading to better games for everyone. As we look toward the horizon of gaming AI, we're seeing developments that promise to push the boundaries even further. These aren't just incremental improvements. They represent fundamental shifts in how games are created, played, and experienced. The convergence of multiple AI technologies is opening up possibilities that seemed like science fiction just a few years ago. Let's explore these exciting emerging trends. Neural rendering, DeepMind's breakthrough approaches to AI-powered graphics that optimize performance while pushing visual boundaries. General game AI, advanced systems like DeepMind's MuZero that can learn and master games without prior knowledge of their rules. Procedural content, projects like AI Dungeon demonstrating how AI can create entire game worlds and narratives dynamically. Advanced character systems, next-generation NPC intelligence that enables deeper, more meaningful character interactions. The potential of these developments extends far beyond gaming itself. These advances in AI are helping us understand how to create more sophisticated autonomous systems, better human-AI interactions, and more immersive virtual experiences across all technology sectors. That wraps up our deep dive into gaming AI innovations. From character intelligence and adaptive gameplay to procedural worlds and AI-assisted development, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we create, play, and experience games. As these technologies continue to evolve, they are not just changing gaming, they are helping shape the future of human-computer interaction itself. In our next episode, we'll explore cross-domain AI integration, how AI technologies from gaming, robotics, and other industries are converging to shape the future of intelligent systems. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.